In a world where design trends continually evolve, the importance of following contemporary wood furniture and wood decor trends cannot be overstated. The choices we make regarding the furniture and decor in our homes and offices significantly impact our environment, influencing our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Contemporary wood trends encapsulate a blend of aesthetics, functionality, sustainability, and emotional resonance, making them essential for anyone looking to create a harmonious living or working space. One of the primary reasons to embrace contemporary wood furniture and decor trends is their inherent beauty and versatility. Wood possesses a natural warmth and character that can enhance any space, whether modern, traditional, or eclectic. Contemporary trends often emphasize clean lines, minimalism, and functional designs, allowing wood to shine as a focal point in a room. By following these trends, individuals can create environments that reflect their personal style while also aligning with broader design movements. The ability to blend wood with other materials, such as metal, glass, or fabric, further amplifies its versatility, enabling homeowners and designers to craft unique and visually appealing spaces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you can turn to high profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Sustainability is a critical aspect of contemporary wood trends that resonates with today's environmentally conscious consumers. As awareness of climate change and ecological degradation grows, many people are seeking products that align with their values. Wood, when sourced responsibly, is a renewable resource that can be harvested with minimal environmental impact. Contemporary trends often highlight sustainable practices, such as using reclaimed wood or certified timber from well-managed forests. By choosing wood furniture and decor that adhere to these principles, individuals can make a positive contribution to the planet while enjoying the beauty and functionality of natural materials. The emotional connection we have with wood is also a significant reason to follow contemporary trends. Wood carries a sense of history, authenticity, and warmth that resonates with many people. Its natural imperfections and unique grain patterns tell a story, creating an emotional bond between the material and its users. When we incorporate wood into our spaces, we invite a sense of comfort and nostalgia that can enhance our overall well-being. Contemporary wood furniture and decor trends often explore this emotional aspect, allowing individuals to create environments that feel personal and inviting. By embracing these trends, we can cultivate spaces that not only look good, but also evoke positive feelings and memories. In addition to aesthetic appeal, contemporary wood furniture and decor trends emphasize functionality. Modern designs prioritize the practical needs of users, creating pieces that serve multiple purposes without sacrificing style. For example, a wooden dining table might double as a workspace, or a coffee table might feature hidden storage. This focus on multifunctionality is especially relevant in today's fast-paced world, where space is often at a premium. By adhering to contemporary trends, individuals can invest in furniture that enhances their lifestyle, promoting organization and efficiency while maintaining a stylish appearance. Moreover, contemporary wood trends are often influenced by cultural shifts and societal values. As design philosophies evolve, so do the materials and techniques used in furniture and decor. Following these trends allows individuals to stay connected with the broader design conversation and engage with new ideas and innovations. For instance, the rise of minimalism in contemporary design reflects a cultural movement toward simplicity and intentionality in our lives. By adopting minimalist wood furniture and decor, individuals can create spaces that embody these values, promoting clarity and tranquility. The integration of technology into contemporary wood design also highlights the need to stay updated with trends. Advances in manufacturing processes and design tools have made it possible to create intricate and innovative wooden pieces that were once unachievable. Techniques such as CNC machining and laser cutting allow for greater precision and complexity, resulting in furniture that combines artistry with functionality. By following contemporary trends, individuals can access the latest innovations in wood design, ensuring that their spaces are not only stylish, but also equipped with the benefits of modern technology. In addition to the aesthetic and functional advantages, following contemporary wood trends can also enhance property value. Well-designed spaces that feature quality wood furniture and decor are often more appealing to potential buyers or renters. The timeless nature of wood, combined with contemporary design principles, creates an environment that is attractive and marketable. Investing in contemporary wood pieces can pay off in the long run, as they can elevate the overall look of a home or office and make it more desirable in a competitive real estate market. Following contemporary wood furniture and decor trends also fosters a sense of community and connection with like-minded individuals. Engaging with design communities, whether online or in person, allows individuals to share ideas, inspirations, and resources. This exchange can lead to collaborations, new friendships, and a deeper appreciation for the craft of woodworking. By participating in the contemporary wood movement, individuals can feel a sense of belonging to a larger community that values creativity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. The act of decorating and furnishing our spaces can also serve as a form of self-care and personal expression. Following contemporary wood trends can inspire creativity and encourage individuals to reflect on their tastes and preferences. The process of selecting, arranging, and personalizing wooden decor can be therapeutic, allowing for self-discovery and exploration. When we invest time and thought into creating spaces that resonate with us, we cultivate environments that support our well-being and happiness. Furthermore, contemporary wood furniture and decor trends can adapt to changing lifestyles and needs. As our lives evolve, so do our spaces. The flexibility of wood allows for easy modifications and updates, making it possible to adapt furniture and decor to new circumstances. For example, a family might begin with a simple wooden dining table and later transform it into a more elaborate setup as their needs change. By following contemporary trends, individuals can stay informed about new designs and ideas that can accommodate their changing lives, ensuring that their spaces remain functional and relevant. The influence of social media and online platforms cannot be overlooked when considering the need to follow contemporary wood trends. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest have democratized design, allowing individuals to discover and share inspiration from around the globe. This accessibility fosters creativity and encourages individuals to experiment with their decor choices. By engaging with contemporary wood trends online, people can gain insights into new styles, techniques, and products that can enhance their spaces. The visual nature of these platforms makes it easier than ever to curate a personal aesthetic that reflects contemporary design sensibilities. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you can turn a high profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.